Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to calculate age from date of birth column and present in column sheet as a age group. Okay, so first I will show my table in the table view. So here I have sales table which contains salesperson information of around 28 rows. Person ID, person name, date of birth and quantity sold. So in the date of birth you can see here years are different 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s and 2000s. So different age group salespersons are there and their quantity they are selling. Okay, now I want to calculate the age from this date of birth column. For that I am using Power Query Editor. Okay, in this Power Query Editor I am selecting the date of birth column and click on add column. So here I am selecting date, I am giving age. Okay, so age it will return after clicking the age from the date column. Okay, so it will return the age in number of days. Okay, so we want to get the age in years. Go to duration and here total years. So you will get the total years. Now rounding it 0 decimal places. So click on round. So immediately one window is getting opened. Just type 0 here, 0 decimals and click on OK. Now you can see the total years has rounded to 0. There is no decimals. Okay, you can see here. This is my age column. So I am removing everything. Remove this column. Okay, and also remove this column. Now I have only age. Just type this as age. Okay. Okay. Just you can change the data type from decimal to whole number. Go to data type, change the type to whole number. Now, this person born in 1985, his age comes to 42 years. Okay, like this you will get age of all salespersons. Just click on close and apply. Close and apply and go to your report. Now if you check your table, you can see age. Okay. Now I am using here stacked column chart. Stacked column chart to know salesperson's quantity sold of different ages. Okay. In x-axis I am dragging age. Okay. And in the y-axis I am taking quantity sold. Age and quantity sold. Okay. So these are the sales done by different ages. So here from 20 to 60 age. Okay, so here if you until or unless you can make your cursor here, you don't know the exact age. So instead of doing all this, so if any organization you want to do some analysis on the salesperson performance as per their age, first I want to group this entire ages in different groups. That means 20 plus years age group, 30 plus years age group, and 40 plus years, 50 plus years. Like this, I want to create one age group. Okay. For that, okay. So before that, I need to just enable data labels. Enable data labels. Now you can see the quantity sold for each aged salesperson employee. Now here our intention is I want to create new group in the age column. Just click on new group. Okay. Now immediately one window is getting opened. So in the name column okay. So here in the group type there are bin and list. Okay. So I am selecting the list. List, you can see this is the least age, 23 is the least age, okay, 57 is the highest age. So by this way the group list of salesperson employee has been created. Now here, as I mentioned earlier, I want to create one group for all less than 30 years age, okay, from 23 to 28, okay, I'm creating one group, okay, I'm giving name as 20 plus age, 20 plus age group. This is my group name, okay. Next, so immediately go here. Here I want to select 30 plus age group. You can select all ages below 40, okay. Click on group, okay. So you can select here, write your name as 30 plus age group, 30 plus age group, okay. Next, so I want to select 40 plus age group. Just select the all ages of below 50, okay. Create group, okay. You can write here 40 plus age group, okay. And here finally we have 50 plus age group. So for that also you can select all four ages group. You can mention here 50 plus age. So this is the group wise. Just I am clicking OK. So I am clicking OK here, and left side on the right side you can see along with age group is also is created, okay. Now so select your chart. Now we already have age in x-axis. Just remove the age and place this age group. Okay, now you can find the difference. Okay, you can find the difference. This is the age group of different ages. 20 plus age group years has sold 1622. Okay, 40 plus age group has 1210, and 30 plus age group has 1000, and 50 plus age group has 710. So by this way you can analyze the data. So which age group persons have stored more quantity when compared to others. Okay, if you continue with the same age with age, instead of grouping of age, you can take directly age. So here this is the age group. For the second sheet I am taking, instead of age group I am dragging only age. Now I am taking only age. So this is age wise of each employee. This is age group wise. So this is how you need to create a new group on your age as per your logic. So here our intention is I want to create age group of 10 years gap. So 20 plus, 40 plus, 30 plus, 50 plus, like this you will get. Now this is very useful to analyze and compare to this one. Compare getting the right age in one chart and creating one separate age group and analyze the data is a different thing. This is how you need to do for creating a group based on their data birth columns. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.